Childproofing made easy with these cabinet door locks. We have bought 2 packs of these. We've been using them for 2 years. We love them. They're easy to install. They're very durable. And let me show you how they work. It's installed here in this bathroom cabinet. And this is as far open as these will come. In order to open them, you have to reach inside and push the lever down. And that is how you open them. You can also use them on a drawer like this. And you will also just push down and then you can open the drawer. They're so handy. The way you install them, you just peel this red sticker off and you peel this red sticker off. This flat one goes inside your cabinet right here. So you just stick it right there and then you will stick the other one inside of the door that looks like this. So you'll stick it to the inside of the door and you'll line them up where you want them. Then you just push this down as you're closing and it will lock right into place. These are holding up so well over the last 2 years and we really like them.